KDS is set apart from other manufacturers with our focus. We do one thing and one thing only, we build kilns.
KDS has historically primarily served the softwood lumber manufacturers in the U.S. South. But since KDS's inception, we have grown exponentially, not only as far as the size of our company goes, but as far as the products and the services that we offer our customers. And our recent expansion into the Pacific Northwest with the Raymond, Washington project, it's opened up a new wave of opportunities for us.
The flagship product for KDS is the Performance Series CDK. These are a tray and cladding design, which is a superior design from our competitors. They all use a panel and tape design, and we have that design as well, but we see this as a superior design. Former kiln models, you put the lumber in, you shut the door, you take the lumber out, right? But the lumber comes out, it's hot. Where does the energy go? It just goes out to the atmosphere. With this continuous kiln in a counterflow pattern, the heated lumber coming out starts to heat up the green lumber coming in to start the drying process. So you're capturing all that energy, you're not releasing it to atmosphere. In addition to that, we can reduce the size of the fans that are inside the kiln as well, which saves electrical energy. But this design has superior longevity and performance.
The aftermarket opportunity at KDS is really exciting. When you look at the industry and you look at the CDK technology, it's about 15 years old. And so the opportunity that we're faced with right now is rebuilding old CDKs on existing foundations. We just commissioned our first ever CDK rebuild on an existing foundation in Russellville, Arkansas, and it was a very successful project. And we expect those opportunities to be more prevalent in the future, and we're really excited about that.
Partnership with MYB has been a great thing for KDS. MYB supported the expansion into Mississippi. That facility has been very helpful, not just to us, but to our clients. That facility is within 200 miles of probably at least a dozen sawmills that we service. Euroglower has been there for us financially, they've been there for us as technical resources. They've helped us tremendously with respect to airflow, ductwork. Now this stuff needs to work, and it's just making our product better.
KDS employees in Philadelphia, Mississippi, and Etowah, North Carolina, their dedication is unmatched in the industry.
We have guys that are very passionate about kilns. All of our staff here are passionate about kilns. Kilns is all we do, and we want to be the best at it, and that's what our team's comprised of. Simply put, KDS is better. We're better because we're committed, we're better because we're focused, we're better because we're better at it.